Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix a security camera with no power due to loose power cable, a faulty power adapter or power supply, blown fuse in the DVR/NVR step-by-step, fixing no power to camera. Step 1. Initial safety check. Turn off the power to the system, unplug from the wall or turn off the UPS. Prevent the risk of electric shock or short circuit. Step 2. Check for loose power cable. Inspect the camera's power cable, DC barrel connector or PoE cable. Wiggle the cable gently near the plug. If the camera powers on-off while moving, it's loose. Unplug and replug the power cable firmly on both ends. If available, try another cable to test if the original is defective. If this fixes it, you had a loose or faulty cable. Step 3. Test the power adapter or power supply. If using a 12V DC adapter, use a multimeter to check the voltage output. Set to DC voltage mode. Place the black probe on the outer barrel, red probe inside. Expect ~12V DC output. If the voltage is 0V or below the expected, the adapter is faulty. Replace it with the same voltage and amperage rating. If using PoE, power over Ethernet. Test the Ethernet cable with a known working PoE device. Check the PoE switch injector for power and functionality. Use a different port if needed. If another power adapter or PoE port works, you've isolated a faulty power source. Step 4. Check for a blown fuse in the DVR/NVR. Some DVRs/NVRs that supply power to cameras via PoE or external 12V outputs have internal fuses. Unplug the DVR/NVR from the power source. Open the DVR/NVR case carefully. Voids warranty in some brands. Locate the fuse near the power input, glass tube or blade type. Visually inspect. A blackened or broken wire inside the fuse =sign blown. Use a multimeter in continuity mode. No beep or zero resistance =sign fuse is blown. To fix, replace with the same fuse type and rating, for example 250V5A. Reassemble the DVR/NVR. Step 5. Test the setup. Power on the DVR/NVR and the camera. Check if camera LEDs or IR lights turn on. Video feed is back on the screen or the NVR. Step 6. Still not working? Try a different camera in the same port and power source. The original camera is in a different known working setup. If the camera itself still doesn't power up, the camera hardware may be dead. You may need professional repair or replacement. Let me know if you're using a PoE system or a separate power supply system so I can tailor this guide even more specifically for you.